Hello students, a very good afternoon and welcome back. Let us solve one of the question of 23rd Jan 2026 if 2 का ये question है and the question is based on the trigonometry, right? Trigonometric function का ये question है. So क्या what is the question? The list value of cos square theta minus 6 sin theta cos theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 2. So हमें list value that is minimum value निकालना है. So just I clear the concept here कि आपको अगर कभी भी इस तरह का function है f theta की मैं बात करूँ, right? F theta is your if a sin theta plus b cos theta, right, and plus c, okay, plus c. Then in that case simple इसका range आप अगर लिखते हो तो range of this function is what basically range of this function is basically minus root a square plus b square minus root a square plus b square plus c comma what root में ये हो गया क्या a square plus b square plus c. So this is the range of this function and this is the minimum value, right? This is the minimum value, so list value, okay, and this is what maximum value, okay. So now for this function we have to find what the list value. So I will convert this function. Let this function be f theta. So that is what cos square theta, what we have given here, the cos square theta minus 6 sin theta cos theta cos theta and plus what 3 sin square theta plus 2. So first we will simplify this. So what we can write here, the cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? 1 plus cos 2 theta trigonometric formula यहाँ पे use कर रहा हूँ मैं, divided by 2. For 6 sin theta cos theta को मैं ऐसे कुछ लिख रहा हूँ 3 2 sin theta cos theta, right? And plus 3 sin square theta को what I can write 1 minus cos 2 theta, right, divided by 2, okay, and plus 2. Now you can see here we can write this, simplify this 2 together. So 2 is the LCM, so I write here the 1 plus cos 2 theta, then we can write here the 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta divided by 2. 2 is the LCM, okay, and for this we can write minus 3 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta, right, plus 2. Now see here, this is 1 plus 3, that is 4, okay, and cos 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta, that is what minus 2 cos 2 theta, okay, divided by 2, okay, divided by 2, and minus what 3 cos sin 2 theta, 3 sin 2 theta and plus 2. Now if we take 2 common, so we get f theta as f theta की वैल्यू हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, 4 कैंसिल होगा 2 से, that is 2 minus 2 minus cos 2 and 2 get cancelled, right? 2 and 2 get cancelled, so cos 2 theta, right? So this is cos 2 theta and plus minus what 3 sin minus 3 sin 2 theta, 3 sin 2 theta and plus 2, and 2 and 2 क्या हो जाएगा, 2 plus 2 क्या हो जाएगा 4 minus what cos 2 theta minus what 3 sin 2 theta, okay. Now we can find the maximum or minimum value. So basically we will find the range of this function. Range of this function is what basically what I told you, the 4 minus what root a square. So a is here 1, right? Just compare this, a is what minus 1 and b is minus 3, so minus 1 whole square and b is what minus 3 whole square, okay, 4 minus this one and 4 plus what root में क्या हो जाएगा minus 1 whole square plus what minus 3 whole square. So you can see here what do we get the value as 4 minus ये क्या होगा 1 plus 9, that is root 10, and this is what 4 plus root 10. So we are asked to find the minimum list value. So this is the minimum value, right? This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value, right? Maximum value. So basically the list value, so answer is what list value of this function is what basically the minimum value, and that is 4 minus root 10 is the answer for this question. If you see the question answer, so C option is the correct option. Hope you will clear with the solution. I will come with the next set of question and the solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.